Boys and girls, you're going to write your first name, your last name, and date on this top line. And you need your Scholastic News article to help you complete. If you do not have your Scholastic News, please go get it because you will need it to answer the questions. We're going to go on a text feature hunt. We're going to answer questions about vocabulary words from our Scholastic News. Here are our vocabulary words. Okay? We have a headline, which is the title of an article. A bold word, a word that is darker than other words to show that it's important. A subheading, the title of a small part of an article. And a caption, a word that tells about a photo or map. So we're going to use that knowledge to help us answer these questions. Question 1, what is the headline on page 2? The headline is the title of the article. So I'm going to go here into my Scholastic News. I'm on page 2, and I'm going to look for the title of the article. I'm then going to write it using correct spelling on this line. Question 2, the article has 3 subheadings. Write one of them here. Hint, they are purple. So let's take a look. On pages 2 and 3, there are 3 subheadings. They are in purple. A subheading is the title of a small part of an article. So there are 3 subheadings. You are to write one of them on this line. Again, correct spelling is expected. Question 3. In this article, nectar is a bold word. Write the sentence that tells you what nectar means. So here we're going to look for one of the bold words. Here's nectar. It laps up nectar. We're then going to write the sentence that tells us what nectar means on these lines here. I'm not going to write it laps up nectar. That does not tell me what nectar means. I am going to look where it tells me what nectar means. And then I'm going to write that sentence on these lines here. The last question says, what is written in the photo caption at the bottom of page 3? The caption are words that tell about a photo or map. So I'm going to come here to page 3. Here's page 3. I'm going to look for the photo. Here it is. And here is the caption. See, it's in orange. That's our caption. I'm going to write the caption again using correct spelling on the lines for question 4. When you're done, submit both your Scholastic News and this paper to the finished work bin.